Hello, hello, assalamu alaikum. Anybody ready for a vegetable pancake? Making with carrots, zucchini, pepper, ginger, green onions, leek, and white onion. I will be slicing all the vegetables thinly like matchsticks. So I started with the zucchini. Okay, we are done with the zucchini and the sweet potatoes and the green peppers. Here goes the leek and the green onions and some fresh minced ginger, a quarter of thinly sliced onions, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dry coriander, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now we will add half a cup of flour to mix all of the vegetables together. So I added the flour to the vegetable mixture, and I have extra water and extra flour handy just in case the vegetables they release some water, and I need to add more flour, so we'll see. But for now it's ready. I have preheated the griddle. It's almost ready with 2 spoons of olive oil because I want the pancake bottom to be crispy. Alrighty, looks pretty. So if I can have pancakes and syrup, I'm going to eat vegetable pancakes and enjoy the what out of it. So yeah, it definitely smells good. So I'm going to brew some coffee and then I will turn this. Alrighty, that's turned on one side. Looks good from this side. Because of the turmeric powder, it turned a little bit yellow. I don't mind. I love turmeric and it's healthy. Bismillah, it's time to eat. Look at my pancake, it's healthy. Only thing that's in there that I could have avoided is the olive oil. So that's the only oil I use now. Olive oil. I don't know if I could have baked it. So well, I have the sweet potatoes and zucchini and leek and green onions and peppers. If you want a little bit of heat, you can add that chili sauce to it, the soy and chili. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for having some breakfast with me. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep making those little videos and support me because I am trying my best to eat healthier than we were eating before, and this pancake is so good. I made 2 and half of the other one is gone, so I'm going back to my eating. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you later with something else. Bye.